It's chaos in the stock market right now. Oh my gosh, what is going on, beautiful people? David here with something that I don't always talk about because I'm just a guy who likes to play games, sometimes draw, sometimes do stuff, sometimes react to things. But this entire morning, I've been reacting to the chaos that is Wall Street and Reddit and Twitter and Facebook and everything else that is invested in this because, let me tell you guys, shit cray right now. Shit is absolutely gone insane. For anyone who doesn't know, freaking GameStop's stock, as well as AMC's yesterday, freaking jacked the fuck up, and I am here for it because the whole story, right? Hedge funds, these massive financial companies, they took out put options, which is basically a bet. You can look this stuff up for yourself and then get a lot more information, detailed information, but I'm just kind of giving a gist of it, general gist of it. A put option is a bet, and hedge funds made these bets that GameStop would lose a lot of money. The stock would depreciate. And so by betting accurately on the decline of the stock price, they can make a ton of money. However, and they were on track to, but on Reddit, freaking Wall Street Bets, I don't remember who started it, but someone got wind of it and rallied everyone together, basically, to buy GameStop to, like, an incredible degree, to the point where their stock skyrocketed, like, beyond skyrocketed. Like, look at this. I know I'm using Robinhood to look at these prices, and I'm gonna get into why I should not be, because there's a lot going on. See this? This is just a slice of it. However, this line chart is really easy to look at, so I'm going to use it real quick. January 15th, look at it, it's $35, and now, like, well, anyone who invested in it when it was like these prices, my hat's off to you. Like, God, this has minted millionaires. It's crazy. GameStop, like, this is not normal. This is not a normal uptrend for any stock. This is absolutely insane. AMC did something very similar as well. If you look at the 3 months, oh my God, look at that. $4 to 19. And of course, like, we're seeing the aftermath of that, where everything's taking kind of a dive. There's definitely a dive on GameStop right now, as well as AMC. These two stocks blew the hell up, and now the Redditors, there's a battle going on right now. It is insane. If we look over here at Reddit, Wall Street Bets, man, I'm loving the heck out of this. Literally, the power of the internet has gotten a million of people to, well, like, a ton of people to jack up the price of this stock to basically attack Wall Street. And this is insane. This is like French Revolution without the violence level stuff. Yeah, Melvin Capital is the one that lost a ton of money on this. GameStop, huge loss. Yeah, they made a huge loss. Yeah, close to $3 billion, man. Speculation about filing bankruptcy is false. Still, the fact that that was circulating just shows how much this hurt the company. And, oh, hello. Thank you, CNBC. That's ridiculous. And now there's a class action lawsuit against Robinhood. We'll get into that. Hold on. But, yeah, the fact that this is crazy. People on Reddit actually did damage to a financial corporation. This is absolutely ridiculous, to the point where rumors about their bankruptcy were being spread around. And I just think this is absolutely fascinating. I'm just sitting there like Michael Jackson with the popcorn. It's absolutely incredible what's going on right now. And it's an all-out war right now. You're actually holding the line. Don't stop. Diamond hands. Diamond hands has been like the Reddit speak for like anyone holding these positions. And some people are holding massive positions and they're still holding the line, which just speaks to the level of dedication that there is to this movement. We can't let this slide at all. Oh yeah, and yeah, Wall Street Bets, hedge funds, you. That's great. Yeah, eat the people eating us. This is insane. If I can hold at negative $10 million, then you can hold too. That's ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Such poetic justice. The idea that all these crazy Wall Street people are getting just the rug completely pulled under them by just random personal private investors, just individual investors rallying together. They're like, wait, what? That's illegal. And look at the memes! GameStop sitting amongst Tesla and Amazon after Reddit users make it a Fortune 500 company. Big bird! Even the old memes are making a new comeback with this craziness. I love it. AMC is falling, but we're still holding, right? We are all holding AMC, correct? Will we get AMC to 100? If you sold AMC today, this is the place for you. The culture! The absolute culture that is going on right now. But it doesn't stop there, folks. Freaking Robinhood, the app, the brokerage app that a lot of people, myself included, use. This stock is not supported on Robinhood AMC stock. This stock is not supported on Robinhood GME stock. Freaking GameStop and AMC, Robinhood just canceled that shit. They absolutely did. And there's speculation between whether they did it or whether the person who processes their trades is the real reason that they removed them from the ticker symbols from the app. Because they were straight up gone. Like, right now you can check and not buy, but before, like, they were just straight up gone from the system. You could tell it was like very much a knee-jerk reaction. Like, someone, either they or someone that they work with told them, this needs to go right away. And of course, that angered absolutely everyone, because now it's cancel Robinhood City. United States District Court, Southern District of New York, my state, class action complaint against Robinhood Financial Securities Markets. They took the stocks off, and now we are just going hard. The internet, when it plays hardball, it plays hardball. No one is safe from cancel culture. This is absolute craziness. And this is exactly what it is. Robinhood, let the people trade. This was back in 2016. It's a different story now, isn't it? This is a shonen anime. A company called Robinhood literally takes choice away from people in the free market. This is absolute ridiculousness. Robinhood, I'm sorry, whether they're the ones who made the decision or not, they did not communicate whatever they were dealing with effectively. Oh, this is delicious. The chaos. It sustains me. Check out Mark Cuban from Shark Tank, owner of the Dallas Mavericks. I gotta say, I love what's going on with Wall Street bets. All those years of high-frequency traders, front-running retail traders. Now speed and density of information and retail trading is giving the little guy an edge. Even my 11-year-old traded with them and made money. I want to see art of just children, like, fishing dollars out of freaking hedge fund managers' pockets. This is crazy. Great for your son who's already mission making. This is me right now. Rows about Wall Street freaks, Reddit freaks, vengeful Elon Musk gamers, people who miss. Dude, this is exactly me watching these people go crazy. It is the greatest entertainment that I've ever seen. Let me tell you about this state-of-the-art video game store. That's the thing that really got me, because before I knew the details, I was a little pissed because I don't even like GameStop that much as a company. Ever since they ate up my favorite game retailer, which was EB Games, way back when in my local mall, and then even a little bit after that when they just started giving you absolutely jack for trade-in value, but now I just love that they're being the vessel for this absolute chaos that is going on. GameStop wondering why it's a Fortune 500 company. After you, Big Booty 69 in the gang bamboozle Wall Street. Why am I here? That's actually hilarious. And by the way, Dogecoin is a real coin. It is a meme currency, but it is a real cryptocurrency. Okay, so the memes are hilarious and I love them. But in all seriousness, this actually is kind of a big deal what's going on right now. It's too early to tell whether this will be a movement that actually has a huge lasting impact on the system, but I think what is assured is that people's voices have been heard. This has been covered on the news channels, CNBC, CNN. It's been covered on lots of things. It's been covered on Forbes. It's been covered on Wall Street Journal. It's been this is more than just Reddit. It's more than just us gamers. It's more than just memers. It's having an effect. It's really hitting hard these hedge funds. This is having a tangible effect. And even if whatever happens in the future with this, it will be an event that will not be forgotten. People in Wall Street will remember this. People who invest will remember this. This is insane. along with the pandemic itself and what that did to the stock market, and now this, like, it's just absolute chaos. It's crazy what's happening right now. Myself personally, I am invested in Robinhood. I have quite a few stocks in Robinhood, and honestly, after what's been going down, I'm tempted to take all my stuff and run into Fidelity, which is where my other account is. I have another brokerage account. Fun fact, I didn't even know I had a Fidelity brokerage account until I checked, because freaking Robinhood pulled everything this morning, and I was like, maybe I could see on Fidelity. And then I tried logging in, and it turned out I had an account that I just completely forgot about, because I used to work at Tivana, and when I had Starbucks shares. Surprise, surprise, I had $500 in my brokerage account that I never knew existed, and guess what I did with that $500? Boom, baby! I am in it to win it! I mean, like, this is honestly terrible. Like, I am of the mind that you should never invest more than you are willing to lose. And I am willing to lose that. Like, this $500 is a fraction of what I have total net worth. That being said, I am also unemployed, and I am no longer earning money from unemployment. So I'm kind of actually in a financial bind right now. So I can't put too much into this. However, I'm just going to go right out there and say it, and I'm absolutely never going to suggest or tell you, like, I'm not a financial professional, I am not a certified financial whatever, I am not qualified to give financial advice, so I will never, ever, ever tell you what you should or should not do with your money. That being said, if Robinhood wasn't being a little cuck and let me put some of my money that I had already in Robinhood into these stocks, I would have a lot more than $500 in AMC or GMC. Or sorry, GME. Completely different corporation. I think it's important to send this message. And Wall Street is fighting back. They are doing all sorts of things. A lot of the restrictions placed on personal investors, individual investors, have not been imposed on these companies that are trying to scramble and get their financial leverage back. So I do think, and you can look up a lot more information. I'm just here to make jokes and funnies, but also spread some awareness about this, because I think it is actually really important. And I think it's important to hear it from people like me who are dumb and just normal freaking people who aren't financial gurus, who aren't investment pros, who aren't this, that, or the other thing, and are just people. And again, like I said, I'm never going to tell you what you should or should not do with your money. Wall Street Bets is kind of like, to them, they're going nuts. It's like open season. They're going to go after more and more companies. I could just tell already. They are out for blood. There's already blood in the water, so now it's a frenzy. I am having a little bit invested into this just in case I can turn a profit. A lot of my other positions are companies like Dropbox and Tesla, and if you watch Jeremy Financial Education, he's one of my biggest sources for information. YouTubers should never be the 100% of the advice you take financially. Look at the investor relation pages. Look at why you're investing in these companies. Even if you take someone's word for something versus doing research for yourself into it, and even for this, even though this situation right now completely blows the fundamentals of business out of the picture for AMC and GME stock, please, before you do anything, no matter what you do your research before you even make a decision. With that said, I'm curious, are you investing right now? Or are you a Robinhood investor that's kind of being disillusioned right now? And are you thinking of jumping all your money into a different brokerage? I'm curious what you're thinking about. And also, if I left out anything or if I glossed over something, and I'm 100% sure that I did because I'm just a dumb boy who likes to react to stuff on the internet, please let me know. If you know more about this situation, please, I want the comment section of this video to be a good source of information. And if I was wrong about something, I want you to call me the F out on it, because I think it's really important to know as much as we can about this. But until then, I'm going to be enjoying the memes, I'm going to be enjoying everything, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I hope you have an amazing time watching this video, watching this chaos unfold. Let me know if you're team Reddit or if you're Team Wall Street. If you're Team Wall Street, I doubt you're watching this shit. Like, and if you are, sup. Feel free to leave a comment saying your piece as well. But now though, this is Dave out, peace out. I'm not a financial YouTuber. I'm not gonna become a financial YouTuber. I thought this was just a fun thing to talk about. I have friends gaining money. I have friends losing money. I'm gaining and losing money. It's a free-for-all. The most we could do is just enjoy the chaos, and because the chaos is a sweet wave that I like to ride, and boy, does it make me excited. So, for now, take care.